So now let's see how we can work around with guided text and border overlay option inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So to work around with that, I'm going to go around over here onto the guided mode right here. And once I go around over here on the guided mode, I can go around onto the text and borderlay option right here. So once I go around over here on the right side, you can see that I can select a border of my choice right here. So I can go around and click right here and that border will be added. You can go around and select different designs of borders as you can see right here, and you can resize out the borders over here as well. You can make it small right here or use the slider right here to make it larger right here, just like this. You can go around and choose the color of the border over here as well, and that particular color will be applied over here as you can see, just like this. So once that is done, you can go around and use the text overlay tool right here. You can go around over here and then click, and you can see that now you have the text right here. So you can go around and type in whatever you want. So I'm just going to go around, select all and type in TutorTube right here in all caps, and you can press the check mark button right here, and now you can see that the text is here. So now what you can do is you can go around and then move out the text wherever you want right here, just like this, and there you go. Just like that, you can see that there's a text right here. Let me just press the check mark button right here, and then you can see that that is how you can format this. You can go around and resize this. You can press the check mark right here, and everything else adjusts accordingly right here. You can select the position of the text right here to be on the center, to be on the corner right here, just like this. So you can just make it like a caption as you can see. You can go around with the text style and then choose out different text styles according to how you want as well. So you can go around over here and then choose out the text style according to how you want, and that is what you have. And that is how you can work around and then utilize the guided text and border overlay effect inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.